everybody, thanks for tuning into today's video. We're going to have a look at the weather for the week ahead in today's video. We've got changes on the way in the coming week. We're going to get a much more autumnal type pattern setting up, so make most of the fine weather that we've got this weekend. Anyway, I'll go on with all the detail in a moment. Just want to talk about websites where the charts are coming from. We've got weathercentral.de and weatheroutlook.com. You can find both of those charts on my links page. Also want to mention the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad overlay in my weather videos at gazweathervids.com. Please play those videos. You'll be supporting gazweathervids.com by doing that. So this is the situation today in terms of the jet stream. Jet stream is to the north of the country. We've got an area of high pressure sitting underneath that jet stream. But in the coming week, that jet stream is going to be coming southwards across the British Isles. It'll be blasting right across the UK in the coming week, bringing much cooler weather with it, and also much more unsettled weather as well. Initially, the unsettled weather will be more centred to the north, but later on in the week, that unsettled weather could come down even into the south, bringing some quite heavy rain even across southern parts of England and Wales by Friday, though that is a long way off, and that's with some uncertainty. So the pressure chart for today is showing that we've got a ridge of high pressure here across many parts of the country. Really, low pressure is developing out to the west, but we're really under a ridge of high pressure today, albeit quite a weak ridge. The actual centre of that ridge is over northern Italy, so it looks pretty fine for the qualifying and for the Grand Prix at Monza. They're right under an area of high pressure over across northern Italy. That's the centre of high pressure. We're under a weak ridge here, and the low pressure really is the driving force of the weather in the coming week. But for today, we're looking at a lot of fine weather. It's quite cloudy in the west and the north. This morning it has been quite cloudy in the west and the north this morning. It'll break up a lot of that cloud, I think, this afternoon, giving some good sunny spells, but the best of the sunshine will always be in the south and the east. It's going to be very warm today, temperatures up to 25, 26, possibly 27 degrees across some parts of southeast England. That's 81 Fahrenheit. That's very hot indeed for the 8th of September. So gloriously sunny in the south, always more cloud in the north, but some sunny spells coming through. Now overnight we're going to find this area of low pressure developing in the Atlantic and moving towards us. Most of us should stay dry tonight. The cloud will increase across Scotland and Ireland and parts of northwest England as well through the night, but I think just about staying dry, although some showery rain possible in western Scotland later. For England and Wales, lots of dry and clear weather. Tonight will be some mist and fog patches developing once again. Temperatures anywhere between around 7 to 15 degrees. 7 degrees always more likely in the more rural areas across central parts of England. 15 degrees probably up across Scotland where it's clouding over. So a big range in temperatures again. And this is something that you see obviously in the early part of the autumn. You do tend to get quite big temperature differences between rural locations and in a city location, and of course where we've got cloud and clear spells. Now going through Sunday, we find that low pressure becoming quite a big area of low pressure actually to the north of Scotland. That'll be taking a band of rain in across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of the day. Some of that rain could be quite heavy, probably not getting into eastern and southern Scotland though until after dark, really centred across northern and western parts of Scotland and down into Ireland as well. England and Wales, well, seeing more in way of cloud coming onto the western side of England and Wales, but for central and eastern parts of England in particular, I think we'll have again a good deal of sunshine tomorrow, and temperatures really lifting up even higher than today, if anything, maybe up to 28 degrees across, say, London. 28 is around 83 Fahrenheit, so again a very hot day in the southeast, but turning cooler in the northwest, and that's the trend as we go into Monday. We're taking that cold front down across the country, and then the winds are going around to the west and to the northwest behind that cold front. Now the cold front is going to be quite a weak feature, I think, as it comes down across England and Wales through the course of Monday, but there could be a few heavier bursts of rain on that cold front in the northwest, not arriving into the southeast so until after dark probably. For Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England will start off on a wet note, but I think it'll brighten up. But we are going to see sunshine and showers coming through, driven in on that strong to near gale force west to northwesterly wind. Still quite warm in the southeast, not as warm, but still quite warm, with temperatures up to 21, 22 degrees, but turning much, much cooler behind that cold front, with temperatures dipping down to just 13 or 14 probably across Scotland and Northern Ireland. You'll certainly notice the difference once that cold front has cleared through your location. As we go into Tuesday, we're in this run of west to northwesterly winds, much cooler air coming in with that wind. Here's the upper air temperatures. We're all in these yellow and green colours now. That's proper autumnal air. So Tuesday will be a very cool day, I think. Sunshine and showers really for Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England. Probably not too many showers coming down into central, southern and southeastern parts of England. But what you'll notice on Tuesday is that drop in temperature accentuated by the strong west to northwesterly winds. So if temperatures just 15, 16, 17 degrees for many of us, it will feel even cooler than that with the wind. Now as we go into Wednesday, we're starting to find another area of low pressure moving in off the Atlantic, and for the middle and latter part of the week we're really starting to bring in the remains of hurricanes. We've got two hurricanes in the Atlantic, the remains of two hurricanes I should say, Hurricanes Leslie and Hurricane Michael. So it's turning much more unsettled in the second half of the week, and we're tightening the isobars as well, so it's becoming very windy across all parts of the country on Wednesday. Gales for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England probably on Wednesday. We're bringing an area of quite heavy rain in through Scotland and Northern Ireland as well through the course of Wednesday. So a wet and windy day in the north. England and Wales getting a lot of dry weather again on Wednesday, but you'll notice that westerly wind really picking up wherever you are on Wednesday. So even in the south where it's dry, it will be windy and feeling quite cool. Temperatures round as 15, 16, 17 degrees again, so it's quite cool really across many parts of the country, although the far south and southeast may get up to around 18 or 19. It's staying unsettled into Thursday. That first area of low pressure is clearing away in Scandinavia. We've got another area of low pressure coming in from the Atlantic though through the course of the day. So I think Scotland may get off to a dry enough start on Thursday. The first area of rain will clear away overnight Wednesday into Thursday, starting dry for Scotland on Thursday, but then it turns wet again with another area of heavy rain coming into Scotland. This one coming down into Northern Ireland, Northern parts of North Wales as well probably through the course of the day. Again, central southern parts of England and Wales having a fair amount of dry weather, but it's windy everywhere. The isobars tightly packed, so yes, it will be a windy day on Thursday. Temperatures around 17, 18 degrees in the south, just 13s, 14s in the north. Definitely an autumnal feel. Now, this area of low pressure will sweep southwards overnight Thursday into Friday. And that could take some significant rain down across central southern parts of England and Wales as well. And there's that low pressure clearing away into the North Sea as we go into Friday. So we're going to have a wet night, I think, across much of England and Wales overnight, Thursday into Friday. Here's the rain forecast for Friday, clearing away into eastern parts of the continent, western parts of the continent, I should say. So we are going to have a lot of rain, I think, overnight Thursday into Friday, clearing away east on Friday itself, but a wet start probably in the southeast, then clearing away. Then we're into that cool run of west to northwesterly winds, so it will be a showery day, sunshine and showers really, very cool temperatures, just 15 or 16 degrees for many of us. And then going into the weekend, we bring a little bit of a ridge here across the country, but the next area of low pressure is out in the Atlantic. That could well bring more rain into the north and west through the course of the day. We can have a look at the charts from the weather outlook. We've got a lot of fine weather today across the country and very warm as well, good deal of sunshine, always cloudy though up to the north. It's a repeat performance really for Sunday, and if anything it'll be even warmer, although later on we'll start to bring some cloud and rain into the north and to the west of Scotland, some showery rain coming in there, but very warm and sunny across central, southern and southeastern parts of the country. Going into Monday, we bring the cold front down across the country, quite a weak feature once it gets into the southeast, but it's dropping those temperatures back significantly as it clears to the north and to the west. Showery ready for Tuesday. And look at those temperatures well down into the teens now, so real chill to the air by the time we get through to Tuesday, Wednesday. Wet for the north, mainly dry for the south, but it's windy everywhere on Wednesday. Thursday, more showers or longer spells of rain, gradually working their way southwards and eastwards. Still just about remaining dry in the south and the southeast, but temperatures will be on the cool side for many of us and accentuated by the wind. Showers or longer spells of rain for Friday, persistent rain clearing away east Friday morning, and then it's sunshine and showers, temperatures on the cool side. So a significant change in the pattern is taking place this week. We're going to go from the summery weather that we've got this weekend, very warm, locally hot, to a much cooler, unsettled, windy and autumnal type weather through the course of next week. So make the most of this weekend. Autumn is arriving next week. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.